What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the video. My name is Sharina for all of my new subscribers, and there is a brand new automatic heat press that just hit the market, and guess who has it? We do. And guess who's gonna do a review on it? Us. So let's get into the video. Oh, and I already have an automatic heat press that's a completely totally different brand, so we're gonna do a small comparison between the two. All right, let's go. First things first, we're going to unbox the heat press. As you can see by the box, the heat press is just a little big. It also is a little heavy. I had to sit it on the floor and lift it. So if you have to do it this way, remember to always lift with your legs. Everything came put together. The only thing that I had to put together on the heat press was the handle, and they provided me with screws and a Allen wrench to do so. So it was pretty much self-explanatory. Again, the handle for the slide out drawer is the only thing that you have to put together on this heat press. Everything else is already together. The cord is already connected to the heat press. Everything is already put together, and now you are good to go once you connect your handle to your slide out drawer. With this heat press comes very detailed instructions on how to use the control panel. Also, there are 6 settings for pressure, because with this heat press you can adjust your pressure. Also, they give you setting recommendations depending on your material, whether you're going to be using sublimation, vinyl, DTF. They give you time and temperature pressure settings for those. The power button is used to turn off and on your heat press. This grid button here is used to say 4 different time and temperature settings. The temperature button at the top on the left hand side, you can adjust using the plus and minus buttons, same as the time. You can adjust the time by using the plus and minus buttons on the right hand side. This middle button here is used to adjust your pressure. The pressure settings are from 1 to 6. Pressure settings are also in your instructions. And this A button is to put it in automatic mode, where it will automatically lower the plate once you slide the drawer in. And then the button on the side is for manual. So now I'm gonna make a shirt just to test out this heat press. Also, I didn't mention, I like the fact that the control panel was actually like touch screen, and it's on the top of the heat press. But anyway, when you're making a shirt, you want to make sure you pre-press your shirt to get the moisture out of your shirt. For this shirt, I already have an image that has been cut and weeded. It says "Crafter's Gonna Craft," but I do want to let you know that the heat press is in automatic mode. So once I slide the drawer in, the plate will automatically lower. Once my time has run out, the plate will automatically rise. Now, if you want to put the heat press in manual mode, you mash the manual button and the plate will lower, and then you will have to mash it again and the plate will rise. Now I'm going to peel away my carrier sheet and give the shirt another press for about 10 to 15 seconds. Again, I have my heat press in automatic mode, so it will automatically lower the plate once I slide my drawer all the way back in. This heat press did a good job as far as making sure that the vinyl was flat into the fabric. You want your vinyl to feel like it's actually part of the shirt, but I wanted to put this heat press up against another auto heat press by HTV Runt that I have. They look very similar in size and layout. The SUNPRESS drawer is just slightly a little bit longer than the HTV Runt's heat press. Also, the control panel is touchscreen and it's at the top of the heat press. HTV Runt's control panel is in the front. HTV Runt has a dip in the base, sort of like a handle, where it's more easy to carry considering that the heat presses are heavy. I like both of these heat presses, so I'm not gonna pick or choose because these are both good heat presses if you're looking for an automatic heat press. Well guys, that is a wrap for the video. So if you have any comments or questions, let me know down in the comment section, as well as if y'all want to see any particular videos like me make certain stuff, let me know in the comments too. I make all kinds of stuff. I'm just not a t-shirt maker. I make doormats, door signs, cups, coffee mugs, anything, you name it, I can make it. And again, that's it for the video. I hope y'all liked it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, if you could follow some of my other socials, I would greatly appreciate that. Bye, guys.